Welcome friends, let us look at this question 24 for the Kcse 2016. You're told that on this grid, draw the graph of the function. You have the equation there and we have the points. So what you have to do, you just have to draw a table that has got the x-axis and the y-axis. Don't forget that the equation you have been given was a half x squared minus x plus 3. So you're going to input that equation on the calculator by inputting a half in bracket. Then the first value you've been given, the range is 0. Now this range here is very important, 0 to 6. When you're drawing your table, you make sure that the range is as indicated, 0 to 6. So we have here 0 to 6. So if I substitute in the equation, I'll have 0 squared minus again 0, then plus 3. So the first answer here I have it is 3. So if I replace into all my using the same equation into the table, I'll be having 1 here. So if I use 1, it is 2.5, that is 2.5. Then if I substitute the 2, I have 3. Then if I substitute 3, I have 4.5. So you realize that the final answer here, it is 15. And that is how you have your table. Now you can represent this one on your graph table. It means I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes, I can take 1 to represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the x-axis, because they're all starting at point 0. There is no negative, that's why I'm starting my point here. So the one going on top, I'll be using the same scale, having here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, then we have 15 as the last value. So to plot, I think we know how to plot from 0, we go to 3, that is the first point. Then I'm going to plot the rest, 1 and 2.5 is there. So that's the trend, 2 and 3. You can see the curve is going up. So 3 and 4.5 somewhere there. So I have my points plotted. Then I am now going to join using my bare hands, not without using roller, because of the curve. Remember, when you're drawing, make sure you use a pencil. I'm using a pen so that you can see clearly. So I have my equation there. Then at the end, I'll write the name of my curve as I have x squared plus 3. Now that one I've just gotten my 3 marks. I go now to the next question. You are told, calculate the mid-ordinate of 5 strips between x to be 1 and 6. So we have the ranges as x1 and 6, but they are saying mid-ordinate. Therefore, mid-ordinate, I'm going to take only the middle numbers. So if it is 1 here, and 2, 3, 4, 5, then we just have here 6. So the middle number will be 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, and 5.5. So I'm going to use the same equation that we had for the half x squared minus x plus 3 to fill in the missing gaps here, so that I can find the points of the mid-ordinate. So I've just filled on my table, and you can see. Therefore, to use mid-ordinate, we first have to find height. Height means we take the values in the x-axis, that is 6 minus 1. This is 6 and 1. Then I divide by the number of strips. The strips here I have are 5. Therefore, the value of h is 1. Then I'm going to apply the formula where we say h into y1. You add everything up to y, and just like that. So I'm going to take 1. I multiply by 2.625, 3.625, 5.625, plus 8.625, plus 12.625. So by adding all of them, we are going to have 33.125 square unit. You can as well write your answer as a fraction, that is 33/1/8, still no problem. Then you're told that assuming that the area determined by integration are to be the actual area, find the percentage error using the mid-ordinate rule. So by integration, we have the range as 1 and 6 for the equation. I have x squared minus x plus 3. Therefore, to integrate here, you're going to add 1, then you divide the same number that you're going to get there by this number. So we have 1 plus 2, it is 3. So therefore, we have x cubed. Then 3 times a half, we have. So if you divide, you have 1/6. You know the rule of integration. So here, it is x power 1, so it will be x squared. Then the same 2 here, I divide it by this part. Plus 3, so I'll have 3 x, because it is x power 0, now it becomes x power 1. Therefore, I'm going now to substitute my equation that 1/6 into 6 cubed minus 6 squared over 2 plus 3 into 6, the first value. I subtract by the same equation, I replace where we have x by 1 cubed minus 1 squared over 2 plus 3 into 1. You can say here it is plus c, there's no problem for that. So if you replace this, you're going to have 33/1/3. So if this one is the actual, therefore to find the percentage error, we will say the percentage error will be found by taking 33 by taking the actual area minus what we got on the mid-ordinate, 33.125 over the actual, then multiply this by 100. That is how we find percentage error. Therefore, we get that the percentage error there is 0.625% in the area of estimation. So this is also another part of area approximation in Form 4. And they're combining it with a little bit of integrations, that is calculus. So if you have any question, just write it down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more questions like this. Thank you very much.